Do you know that over 19% of new YouTube creators fail to reach 100 subscribers? Not because they lack talent, but because they keep making the same mistakes again and again. In this video, I will review 7 YouTube mistakes new creators must avoid if they want to grow faster in 2026. And trust me, mistake number 5 destroys more channel than anything else. Welcome to Crystal Club, where we help you to grow YouTube channel, discover powerful tech tools, and master digital skills. If you are seriously about growing on YouTube, make sure to subscribe and turn notification so you never miss our weekly tutorials. Now let us dive into the 7 biggest mistakes new creators make. Mistake number 1 is starting without a clear niche. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is posting random content. One day it is gaming, the next day it is travel, and the third day it is a tech. This confuses the algorithm and your audience. The platform YouTube want to understand what your channel is about. Successful creators focus on one niche, so viewers know exactly what they will get. For example, on our channel, we focus on YouTube tips, tech tutorials, and AI tools, and that makes the channel easier to grow. Mistake number 2 is ignoring thumbnails. YouTube thumbnail is the first thing people see. If it doesn't grab attention, nobody clicks. Even if your video is amazing, great thumbnails have bold text, bright features, emotional expression. Many creators design the thumbnail using tools like Canva. Remember, your thumbnail should make people curious enough to click immediately. Mistake number 3 is poor audio quality. Many viewers will tolerate average video quality, but they will not tolerate bad audio. If your sound is noisy, low, or unclear, people will click away quickly. Even simple lavalier microphone can improve your sound dramatically. Good audio keeps people watching longer, and watch time is very important for YouTube growth. Mistake number 4 is weak video hooks. The first 10 seconds of your video are most important. If your introduction is boring, viewers leave immediately instead of staying. Like, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Start with something powerful like, most YouTube channels fail before reaching 100 subscribers, and here's why. That creates curiosity and keep people watching. Mistake number 5 is consistent uploading. This mistake destroys many channels. Creators upload 2 videos, then disappear for 3 months. Consistency is extremely important. If you want to grow on YouTube, try uploading once a week or twice a week. Consistency tells the algorithm that your channel is active and reliable. Mistake number 6 is ignoring YouTube SEO or search engine optimization. YouTube is not just a video platform. It is also a search engine. That means people search for things like how to grow on YouTube, best AI tools for creators, how to edit videos. To track your videos, you need searchable titles, keyword description, and relevant tags. This is called YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, and it helps people discover your video. Mistake number 7 is quitting too early. This is the biggest mistakes of all. Many creators quit after 5 or 10 videos because they don't see a result immediately. But the most successful YouTubers grow after 30 to 50 videos. YouTube rewards creators who stay consistent and keep improving. The difference between successful creators and failed channel is simple, as successful creators never give up. Now, after knowing the 7 biggest mistakes new YouTubers make that fails them to reach 100 subscribers, I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comment below. And if you want to learn 10 powerful AI tools that can help you create your video fast, check out the next video on Crystal Club. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn notification so you never miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.